This is a really key point. A lot of people are challenged with getting into a mode of focus. None of us, however, should be expected to just sit down and drop directly into a state of focus. I think that's an unfair request of ourselves. You wouldn't expect yourself to go out on the track and not warm up. You might jog for a few minutes. And if you're doing resistance training, I doubt that you go over and load up the bar or the machine with the maximum amount of weight that you can move. It's very important to understand mental work, focus, and concentration as requiring that warm-up. What is that warm-up? That warm-up is the ramping up or the increase of epinephrine, adrenaline, acetylcholine, and dopamine. The way that neurochemicals work is we don't just get to flip switches in our brain because we decide to. That's a fantasy. That's sort of the Limitless movie or movies and ideas that suddenly you're going to flip a switch on your arm and all of a sudden you're going to be in a laser. There's a gradual dropping into any state, whether or not that state is sleep, right? You go from shallow sleep to deep sleep and then out eventually. Focus 2, you go from shallow focus to increasingly deep focus.